In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're seeking quick input from your team or gathering feedback during a meeting, polls are an excellent tool to facilitate engagement and decision-making. We'll be walking through a simple and effective way to set up a poll. So make yourself comfortable and let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to teams.microsoft.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This could be your work email or any other Microsoft-associated address. Enter your details, click Sign In, and soon you'll find yourself on the Microsoft Teams interface. With that squared away, navigate to the Chat or Channel section. Here, your goal is to select the group or channel where you'd like to implement the poll. Perhaps it's for your project team or maybe the entire department. Just click on the respective group to access its chat area. Now the fun part begins. It's time to add your poll. Look to the lower right of the chat window for a small plus icon. Clicking on this icon opens a whole world of integrations and extensions designed to enhance your team's experience. In this context, we're focusing on polls, so type polls into the search bar that appears. After identifying the polls option, select it to move forward. You will now see an interface asking for the specifics of your poll. This is where your creativity and the clarity of your question come into play. Enter the question you want your team to weigh in on, whether it's deciding the date for an upcoming event, choosing a lunch spot, or gathering opinions on a project matter. Beneath the question, you'll have spaces to fill out the different options for responses. You can add multiple options, catering to the nature of your question. Take a moment to review any additional settings available to tailor your poll further to your requirements. These settings might include options like anonymous voting or adding deadlines for responses. Customizing these settings can greatly enhance the effectiveness and relevance of your poll to your team's needs. Once you're satisfied with both the question and the settings, it's time to bring your poll to life. Simply click the Send button. This action will distribute the poll directly into the selected chat or channel, allowing participants to see and engage with it immediately. And voila! You've successfully created and sent out a poll in Microsoft Teams, opening a space for collaboration and communication among your team. As votes come in, you can monitor the feedback, aiding you in making informed, collective decisions. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you find this tool as beneficial as many teams do. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Teams to its fullest potential.